Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp biryani. This guide will help you prepare a delicious and aromatic shrimp biryani right in your own kitchen. We'll walk through each step, from gathering your ingredients to the final presentation. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this flavorful, restaurant-quality meal. It's simpler than you might think to achieve a perfect balance of spices and tender shrimp. For our shrimp biryani, you'll need about 1 pound of fresh, peeled, and deveined shrimp. Make sure to soak 2 cups of basmati rice for at least 30 minutes before cooking. This helps achieve fluffy grains. You'll also need 2 large onions, 3 ripe tomatoes, and a handful of fresh mint and cilantro. Don't forget your ginger garlic paste and a selection of whole spices like cardamom and cinnamon. First, sauté your sliced onions in a large pot with 3 tablespoons of oil until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Next, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute. Stir in your chopped tomatoes, biryani spices, and the shrimp, cooking for just 2 minutes until they slightly change color. Then, carefully layer your partially cooked basmati rice over the shrimp mixture. Cook on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once your biryani has cooked, let it rest for 5 minutes before opening the lid. Garnish generously with fresh cilantro and some crispy fried onions for extra texture and flavor. Gently fluff the rice with a fork to mix the layers before serving. This delicious shrimp biryani pairs wonderfully with a cooling raita or a simple cucumber salad. Enjoy your aromatic and satisfying homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.